How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use Kanban in Obsidian. So head over to the Obsidian application, and then you want to click on the gear icon, which is going to be the main settings for the application right here. Right after, you then want to navigate through the community plugin and just click on the turn on community plugin, click on the turn on and reload. And then you want to do the same thing, which is to head back to the community plugin and then click on the browse option. From here, let's simply search for Kanban. And then in my case, I have used these two applications right here, which is the Kanban option and the cardboard. Now with this one, it's mainly focused on task oriented. So I mainly use the Kanban community plugin, which is going to be this one. It simply looks like Trello. I'll click on the install button, click on enable, and then basically from there, you have successfully enabled your Kanban in Obsidian. So if you wanted to create a new folder, it's totally fine. In my case, I'm going to be navigating through my project, right click on it, and from here we have the new Kanban board. Click on the new Kanban board option, and then this is our Kanban right here. You can simply right click on it to modify this the way you want to. So for example, if you want to make a new table, you can just click on the add list option at the other side of your screen. And basically from here, it works really the same like Trello if you have used that software before. So in here, let's do something like visuals. Hit on enter, and then you can customize this to whatever you want to. In here, let's also add another card, but with this one, let's insert music. And basically you could do this, so on and so forth. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.